From the bonus disc and then some from the trilogy by Dan and Dave, and a card across effect called Portal involves a card moving from one hand and going to the other hand. Now the problem that I have with this effect is that the hands need to come together and strip out the selection. Now it does look clean and it was cleverly devised, but I do think that a spectator could think that a possible switch could occur when the hands coalesce and the selection is taken out. So what I've done is developed a way that you can show the selection in the same hand without the two hands coming together. So we will get into that now, and I hope you enjoy it. Now when learning this move, it's essential that you do know the revolution cut. But if you do not know the cut, I will explain it for you briefly. And you're going to be using about half the pack for the effect, so it will make it a bit easier for you to learn. So you're going to be in straddle grip, so your fourth finger is at the inner short side edge of the pack, and the rest of the cards are basically in a mechanic's grip. Now the thumb is going to pull up about half the cards, and your index finger is going to move towards the side that has your middle and third fingers on the long side. And you're basically going to be swiveling this top packet between the thumb and index fingers. So in order to do that, your ring finger or third finger is going to come at the inner long edge where the thumb is located. So it's going to look like this in slow motion. You can see that the index finger and thumb are swiveling that packet, and the ring finger is contacting that long side. And your middle finger is extended. You're now going to let go with the thumb, taking the packet in between your index and ring fingers. And your index finger is going to push towards your thumb, bringing that bottom packet towards the thumb. Now the index finger should be curled and cradling the bottom packet. The pinky is still at the back, making sure no cards fall towards you, and the middle and third fingers are extended. Now simply going to close the packet, and you've completed the revolution cut. So once you've produced the card from one hand to the next, it's now time to reveal the card with one hand, using the revolution cut. Now it's important that after you've squared up the packet that the card is sticking out just about halfway or maybe even more. Now if it isn't like it is here, a tip that you can use is to use the index finger to push the card forward as much as you need to. So now you're ready to do the revelation. So what you're going to do is pull up with the thumb, and now it's important that you pull up more cards below the selected card, or else it's of course not going to work. So after you've done that, the ring finger, just like the revolution cut, is going to go on the opposite edge of the pack. And now what's going to happen is the thumb is going to contact this longer edge to strip out the selected card, like so. So you can see that after you've taken the packet with your third finger, it's hinging on the index finger. So you're going to strip the card out, and the index finger, just like in the revolution cut, is going to push towards your thumb, and that card can be sandwiched and moved forward and face up into the pack. So I'll go over that once again. So the card is sticking out about halfway. You pull up with the thumb, do the revolution, strip, push, and you can display the selected card face up in Portal. So when putting it all together and up to speed, the production should look like this. Thanks.